Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy stocks using Google Finance. Whether you're just starting or already investing, Google Finance makes tracking and managing your portfolio simple. First, open your browser and go to www.google.com/finance. On the homepage, you'll see market trends, news, and investment data at your fingertips. Next, click the Sign In button at the top right and choose the Google account you want to use for your portfolio. Enter your password and click Next to access your Google Finance account. Now, let's add stocks to your portfolio. Click Go to your portfolio to open your personalized investment dashboard. Here, click Add Investment. A search bar will appear. Type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to add. Google Finance will show matching results. Click on the stock you intend to purchase. On the stock page, you'll see its current price, historical performance, and key financial metrics. Next, enter the number of shares you want to add. This determines your investment size. Then, select the purchase date to track the stock's performance over time. Finally, click Save. This adds the stock to your portfolio and updates your investment dashboard. Congratulations, you successfully added a stock to Google Finance. Remember, investing carries risks. Use tools like Google Finance to stay informed, monitor market trends, and make thoughtful investment decisions. Explore additional features like charts, watch lists, and market news to enhance your strategy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on managing your investments. Happy investing!